Hello, students. Welcome to today's online classroom. Today's topic is uh, poem Animals by Walt Whitman. I am giving you introduction to the poem. In this poem, the poet Walt Whitman praises animals for being better than human beings and for possessing all such qualities that humans lack or have forgotten. These qualities that humans lack or forgotten, what are those? Are calmness, the lack of greed, and ability to stay happy and content among others. The poet wants to live among animals and experience a life where no complaints and where they are free of sins and sorrow. The true theme of this poem is not to praise how good animals are, but to compare human with them in order to highlight the flaws of their nature. The poet believes that probably a very long time ago, humans possessed all these qualities mentioned above, but they have now lost them. Understand? Now let us read the poem and try to understand. Now we read the poem Animals by Walt Whitman. I think I could turn and live with animals. They are so placid and self-contained. I stand and look at them long and long. They do not sweat or whine about their condition. They do not lie awake in the dark and weep for their sins. They do not make me sick discussing their duty to God. Not one is dissatisfied, not one is demented with the mania of owning things. Not one kneels to another, nor to his kind that lived thousands of years ago. Not one is respectable or unhappy over the whole earth. So they show their relations to me, and I accept them. They bring me tokens of myself. They evince them plainly in their position. I wonder where they get those tokens. Did I pass that way huge times ago and negligently drop them? From Song of Myself in Leaves of Grass.